If your Nintendo Switch is stuck on the loading screen and won't move forward, don't panic. This can often be fixed with a few simple steps. Whether it's a game that won't load or the whole system freezes with the spinning circle, the solutions here might get you back in the game. So let's get started. Solution 1. Force restart the console. So, a forced restart is usually the easiest way to fix a frozen Switch. Press and hold the power button on the top of the console. Keep holding it for 15 full seconds. Count it with me. 1, 2, 3, all the way up to 15. Once done, release the button. Wait for a second. Now press the power button normally for 3 seconds. Your Switch will now light up. So try to check if the game is working now. This simple hard reboot often clears up system glitches causing the freeze. Solution 2. Check the game card or software. If this is happening while loading a physical game, eject the game card. Then clean the card with a microfiber cloth. Clean it gently since we don't want our game to be broken. Now reinsert it to your Switch. If it's a digital game, try loading a different game or the home menu after rebooting. Sometimes a corrupted game file or buggy update can cause the loading issue. Solution 3. Boot into maintenance mode. So, let's say your Switch keeps getting frozen again and again in your game loading screen. You can fix this by booting your Switch. Power off your Switch completely, hold power for 15 seconds again if needed. Now hold down volume up plus volume down plus power at the same time. You will need to hold these 3 buttons together for things to work. Keep holding until you see the recovery mode menu. From here, try selecting Update System first. If that doesn't help, go back and choose Restore Factory Settings without deleting saved data. In some versions, it will be called Initialize Console without deleting saved data. Complete this process and restart your Nintendo Switch. This will hopefully stop further freezing issues on your device. So guys, that's all there is to it. If this video did the trick for you, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more solutions and tips like this. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.